Okay, so my eyes, I've already did them. I did use my Morphe. This is in the color Chocolate Mousse to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I don't know, they looking a little rough, but okay. So next I'm gonna go in with my primer. This is the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer, which is super bomb. I like it. It fills in like your pores. So this is all I've been using. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that in. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible First Wear Foundation. This is in the shade Copper. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer. Just to go ahead and prime my eyes. This is the L'Oreal Infallible. This is the caramel toffee color. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be going back in with my JACLYN palette volume 2. I'm gonna be doing like a lot of eye looks at this palette because I think it's so freaking pretty. So I had this one to stay like within this top up here. So I want to go in with, let's see. So I think I want to go ahead and start with Thick Skin. So now that I got that color, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is the shade Homebody. And on top of that, just to kind of deepen it up a little bit, I'm going to go in with the color Next. I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm just making sure I put that on the outer corner, and then I'm blending that in the inside of the eye. So most of it is on the outer corner. So next I'm just going to be taking my Morphe 167 flat eyeshadow brush. And I am just going to go in with this one, which is the Ride or Diamonds. I'm just putting that on the eyelid. I'm actually going to take my finger because it's a little bit still. So now I'm just going to go back in with that last shade that I used on the corners and just deepen that up. I'm going to go ahead and apply my liquid liner. This is NYX liquid liner. I'm not going to do like a wing. I just want to go ahead and outline the eye. And then I'm going to take in it. I'm going to put that in the inner corner. I'll go ahead and take my Maybelline Instant Eraser Concealer. This is in the color Golden.
I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on. friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those are the guys you choose. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you.